Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. So how to install BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit on this Mercedes G class? Let's go. The BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit adopts a two-pieces design. The shell part with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Each set of BONOSS Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, BONOSS uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure uniqueness of the product. By installing this wheel bolt kit, can protect your value wheels from theft and have higher security. Now use a torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolts. The most important is use the correct torque to install. Avoid damage to the shell caused by excessive torque. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheelfitment.